Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how the bullhorn works in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Fall Harvest Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Basically, the bullhorn is a special gear from the Fall Harvest Update, and it has a pretty fun ability that you can use against the other players. If you want to purchase it, go to the gear shop right here and you're going to talk to this NPC, and you can purchase the bullhorn with 800k shekels. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how exactly it works. First, you need to equip the bullhorn to your character. Once it's equipped, you can activate its ability whenever you want. When you use the bullhorn, it creates a powerful blast around your character. And this blast doesn't just affect the player you're looking at. Instead, it can hit nearby players within its range. So if another player is standing close to you, activating the bullhorn can knock them backward and ragdoll them. And the knockback can push players away from you guys, while the ragdoll effect temporarily makes them lose control of their character. This can be really useful if another player is getting too close to you, or if you simply want to have some fun with your friends. And the bullhorn has a range of around 25 stats, so players don't have to be directly next to you for the ability to work. However, there is an important limitation. After you activate the bullhorn, you have to wait for its cooldown before you can use it again. The cooldown is around 2 minutes, so you need to use the ability at the right time. For example, if several players are standing close together, you can wait until they're all within range and then activate the bullhorn. And this can make the ability much more effective than simply using it against one player. And I don't think I need this item, guys, because it's too pricey for me, and I don't want to use my money, I mean my maple leaves, just to buy the bullhorn. But if you want to do it for fun, go ahead, especially when you have a lot of maple leaves in your account. Okay guys, and that's all about the bullhorn in Grow Garden 2 game of Roblox Full Harvest Update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.